Voltaire is supposed to be the last phase of Cardano network for it to turn into a self-supporting organization. Hydra is the following impending overhaul of Cardano for Layer 2 versatility arrangement. ADA cost could hit a limit of $1.26 toward the finish of 2025. The year 2009 was a fundamental year for the crypto business, as it changed the future of the fintech business for eternity. This is fundamentally on the grounds that the year had a place with the crude digital currency Bitcoin. Pushing ahead to 2015, the year additionally had a place with the biggest altcoin Ethereum and the chain which has been steady with its turns of events, Cardano. The Cardano network is effectively delegated as quite possibly of the most versatile framework on the planet monetary discussion. The organization has been quick advancing to be the main friend evaluated and immaculately versatile chain. In the interim, the worth of the local symbolic ADA cost remained vigorously depleted, being unimpacted to a great extent. Cardano cost expectation for 2023 could go from 47 cents to 71 cents for the year. Voltaire is supposed to be the last phase of Cardano network for it to turn into a self-supporting organization. After this, the organization members will have the entrance of their stake and furthermore have casting a ballot rights which will impact the future improvement of the organization. Will ADA cost bounce back into this year? We should check the Cardano value expectation for 2023 to 2025 and the years to come. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain stage, first to be established on peer-assessed research and created through proof-based techniques by the organization. It consolidates cutting-edge innovations to give unrivaled security and manageability to decentralized applications, frameworks, and social orders. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. Hydra is the following impending update of Cardano for Layer 2 adaptability arrangement. Its predominantly means to speed up through low dormancy and high throughput, which additionally offers limited exchange costs. It will further develop the organization's security and increment its abilities higher than ever. Hydra offers expanded throughput, limited inactivity, and cost-proficient arrangements. The cost of Cardano cost has not seen a positive cost activity following the Hydra declaration, as the value keeps on declining continually. This is supposed to be a great time for brokers and financial backers as the cost of this crypto is low and has a high likely before very long. A consistent grade and noticeable quality is basic for Cardano, as the outcomes will ultimately ponder ADA's cost. In such a hopeful situation, we anticipate that the ADA cost should reach as high as 71 cents. On the drawback, assuming things win for the bears, the altcoin's cost could land at 47 cents. Progressively, a balance in the trading tensions could land the typical cost at 55 cents. ADA Coin Value Forecast 2024. Cardano is the first blockchain stage to be worked through peer-assessed research, to be sufficiently secure to safeguard the information of billion, adequately adaptable to oblige worldwide frameworks, and adequately vigorous to help fundamental change. DeFi's and Cardano's developing strength in the area could become basic for Cardano. Nonetheless, on the off chance that the more extensive market goes over a potential monetary emergency or administrative bottlenecks, the Cardano cost could drop to 75 cents. Cardano Value Expectation 2025. Toward the finish of 2025, assuming the convention carries out its open democratic framework. Nonetheless, taking into account enhancements in bug counteraction frameworks, the cost might cruise in normal figures close $1.06. If Cardano effectively hails off certain undertakings, joint efforts, and new updates and shrewd agreements, the ADA cost could strike a limit of $1.26 toward the finish of 2025. Cardano Value Forecast. All things considered, we will find the convention expanding on its client base with a deluge of more up-to-date clients. Once more, this could help the value forecast of ADA to raise its bar to 71 cents toward the finish of 2023. Nonetheless, assuming that negative insights torment ADA cost projection while the organization is still a work in progress, the bears could immediately jump all over the chance and control the year-end value focus to levels around 47 cents. What is Cardano? The Cardano network is likewise the world's very first companion checked on decentralized blockchain arrangement, which flaunts ADA as local digital money controls that convention. It was made by ex-Ethereum fellow benefactor Charles Hoskinson and was sent off in September 2017. The altcoin has an inventory cutoff of 45 billion tokens. Principal investigation. The blockchain is divided into two layers, to be specific the Cardano settlement layer and Cardano computational layer. Despite the fact that Cardano utilizes a POS calculation, it utilizes an intricate variant marked Ouroboros POS. Ouroboros, in contrast to regular POS, makes time slots called an age. Every age has a space chief picked by different hubs in the opening. These pioneers complete block creation in every age, and every pioneer has an opportunity to make it happen. This diminishes blockage and expands TPS. Authentic Value Opinions 2017 to 2021 Cardano's group raised more than $63 million during its ICO. The market capitalization developed to more than $600 million by the 1st of October 2017. By the 29th of November, the altcoin shot up more than 142.4%, taking its market capitalization to $3.58. In the absolute first month of the year 2018, the altcoin's cost hit an ATH of $1.16. Be that as it may, falling into a negative snare, the cost descended to 4 cents before the year's over. ADA cost had started the year on a bullish note and figured out how to hit $0. The 5th of January 9th, heading on a downtrend. The value slipped to 3 cents on February 6th, however figured out how to hit 10 cents on April 3rd. After a pullback to 5 cents and monotonous endeavors, ADA cost hit 11 cents on the 26th of June. Pursuing delayed negative directions, ADA cost tracked down help at 3 cents in December. Cardano had started the year at 3 cents and rose to 6 cents by mid-February. However, amazingly tumbled to 2 cents in spring. The exchange for 2020 was put to an end at 17 cents. The year had started on a bullish note, wherein the altcoin hit another ATH of $2.40. The market slump in May hauled the cost from $2 to $1.48. ADA cost hit another ATH of $3.08 in the period of August. Is Cardano a wise interest in 2023? In the midst of more current higher-performing participants, Cardano is as yet an optimal venture, with its bold turns of events and furthermore taking into account the plenty of uses ready to go. How high will Cardano go toward the finish of 2023? The cost of ADA could flood to a limit of 71 cents toward the finish of 2023. Is it worth marking your Cardano? How high might Cardano at any point go toward the finish of 2025? As per our Cardano cost expectation, the ADA cost could hit a limit of $1.26 toward the finish of 2025. With an expected flood in the value, ADA could accomplish the $5 mark by 2030. Is Cardano dead? Cardano isn't dead, as it is seeing major formative overhauls, which could support ADA's cost soon. Will ADA marking endure forever? Indeed, marking is crucial. It will continuously work. Could Cardano at any point overwhelm Ethereum? Indeed, even the most bullish of Cardano allies recognize that Cardano will just possibly outperform Ethereum inside 6 to 10 years.